The eChamber Nebuliser Pro is a portable and lightweight medication delivery device. Your healthcare practitioner may have recommended you use a nebulizer as part of your treatment for your respiratory condition. To use your nebulizer, first, remove the lid of the medication cup and fill it with your prescribed medication or solution, ensuring to keep below the 10 milliliter capacity line. Next, close the lid of the medication cup. Then, attach the mouthpiece or mask. Once you're all set up, pull the slider down and press the blue button to turn your nebulizer on. Hold the device vertically and take slow, deep breaths to inhale your medication. After 10 minutes, your nebulizer will turn off automatically. Ensure you clean your medication cup after every use as per cleaning instructions. Recharge your nebulizer with the USB cable which comes included with your nebulizer. Breathe easy with eChamber.